Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change search engine Google Chrome in Windows 10. So how to change search engine Google Chrome in Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Chrome application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial display of Google Chrome. Here it is already on the initial display of the Google Chrome application. To change the search engine, direct the cursor to the upper right of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap this icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear. There are many choices here. Select the Settings menu. Here it has entered the Settings menu. There are many menu choices. And select the Search Engine menu. Well, here it is already in the Search Engine menu. Now here you can see the search engine currently being used, namely Google. To change it, tap Change. Now there will appear several search engine options. For example, I will choose Microsoft Bing. After that, tap on Default. Now to see the changes, we create a new tab. Now here you can see the results. So that's it, the tutorial how to change download location Google Chrome in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.